an invisible way to gradually straighten teeth into a perfect smile. Looks simple, right?
The fact is, the simplicity of the Invisialign product belies the sophistication of our underlying manufacturing process, a process designed specifically for orthodontics' unique requirements. Our mission from the very beginning has been to fulfill the treatment needs of doctors faster, better, and more cost-effectively than ever before. We realize that no two patients' needs are alike, and no two stages of treatment are the same for any patient, and that each series of aligners must precisely match the doctor's prescribed treatment.
Align Technology, with headquarters in Santa Clara, California, applied the latest advances in 3D computer technology and up-to-date manufacturing methods to mass-produce custom items. The result? Millions of unique, custom, and easy-to-use aligners. The Invisialign process begins much like it does with traditional braces, with the doctor making an initial diagnosis and mapping out a course of treatment. These are sent to Align Technology along with the patient's x-rays and impressions of the teeth and bite. First, the impressions are prepped. Then, the x-rays and photographs are scanned to create a complete digital dental record. Next, three-dimensional digital representations are created from the doctor's impressions. Analyzed using computed tomography, the impression is loaded into a specialized holder, which orients it correctly inside to begin the scanning process. A highly precise three-dimensional digital representation is created, including the dentition and interproximal spaces. The integration of CT scanning technology into our manufacturing process is just one example of our unceasing effort to evolve and improve. Once scanned, the 3D image is accessed by technicians who transform the raw data into a plan for the manufacture of custom aligners. The process is comprised of 3 phases of analysis: the cutting process, creating the final setup, and the staging process. Treat is Align's proprietary software solution. A number of issued patents, pending patents, and other intellectual property protect the Treat software. To begin, the cut process isolates data for each tooth into separate geometric units. Each crown is painted to distinguish between tooth anatomy and gingival tissue. A specialized computer program aligns the arches. Then the occlusal relationship is manually adjusted using patient photos for maximum accuracy. The bite is checked for accuracy by verifying that contact points match the anatomy. At this point, each 3D tooth represents the actual tooth's physical condition prior to treatment. Now, the separated teeth can be moved as individual units into the arch form. The technician moves specific teeth into alignment, creating a final setup of the patient's teeth which precisely matches the doctor's prescription. Then the technician reapplies the gingival tissue that was removed during the cutting process. The final step, staging, determines the series of sequential stages in treatment. Here, the technician simulates moving the teeth from the pre-treatment state to their final desired position according to the doctor's prescribed treatment plan. Each sequential stage represents gradual tooth movement achieved with each aligner in the full series. Next, the setup moves through extensive internal quality checks to make sure the virtual treatment achieves exactly what the prescribing doctor has requested. And Align's clinical team also provides oversight throughout the treatment process. This simulation is then electronically delivered to the prescribing doctor for the final quality check via ClinCheck. By reviewing and modifying, if necessary, the virtual treatment, the doctor retains complete control over the manufacturing plan for the aligners. When approved, the plan is used to construct a series of dental models formed out of photosensitive thermoplastic. This process has been specifically adapted for Align technology. Each of these machines performs stereolithography, to take the digital information and create an exact physical replica. A laser beam solidifies liquid resin layer by layer to produce a series of models replicating each stage of treatment for each patient. Here too, Align Technology has applied advanced engineering to its processes as the first company in the world to use stereolithography in a high-volume manufacturing environment. After manufacture in the SLA, the models are cleaned and cured. Next, the automated forming system uses each model in the treatment series to fabricate each aligner. Once formed, they are trimmed to within half a millimeter of the gingival margin for the patient's optimal comfort and minimal visibility. Each is polished and disinfected in a series of cleaning tanks, then packaged, labeled, and shipped directly to the prescribing doctor.
Align has pioneered the first process in the world that uses custom-made production as an ongoing means of manufacturing. With years of refinement, our processes are proven, reliable, and precise. Our ongoing attention to quality control at each step in the process ensures that each aligner matches the prescribed treatment. It's our commitment to help every doctor meet the unique needs of their patient.
Invisialign, using technology to straighten teeth without braces, bringing perfect smiles to the world.